Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word cupidity. Cupidity has 4 syllables, and in British English, we pronounce it as cupidity. 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 In American English, we pronounce it as cupidity. 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 Cupidity means extreme greed or having a strong and selfish desire for wealth, money, and power, especially when it leads to unethical or dishonest behavior. It's when someone wants a lot more than what they really need. The example sentences are: Number 1. Lisa's cupidity for gold caused many problems for her husband. Number 2. The politician's cupidity was heavily criticized. Synonyms of cupidity are greed, selfishness, hunger for wealth. The antonyms are satisfaction, unselfishness, charity. The word cupidity is a noun. Common preposition used with the word cupidity is for, and the other prepositions are of and in. Thanks for watching.